to them, they destroy our lives completely. Sia is a very good girl who wakes up early in the morning. She goes to school on time and eats her meals at regular hours. She completes her studies without delay and goes out to play with her friends. When she gets badly addicted to her mobile phone and starts spending most of her time on it, several changes occur in her life, as you will see now. Sia wakes up late in the morning and fails to reach school on time. She skips her meals and stops studying according to her schedule. She no longer goes out to play with her friends. She is badly addicted to her mobile phone and as a result, her eyesight also gets weak.
मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है। माँ, मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा।
we should not make mobile phones our lives. Books teaches us knowledge.